We are about to hit 1,000 subscribers. I noticed I hit 1,000 on YouTube, so I wanted to document it now on Social Blade. And there it is. 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. It's a great day. June 4th. It was a long time coming. I've been doing this channel since August 11th, 2017. It is now June 4th, 2020. Now, I did not put a lot of effort into this channel. I was doing maybe one video a week, sometimes one video a month. But I was able to achieve 1,000 subscribers, and I am very grateful. Next is 2,000, then 3,000, ultimately up to 10,000, and then 100,000, working my way up to that 1 million subscriber mark. If you guys are involved in my channel, you guys are subscribed and watching, I appreciate everything you guys have done. And I appreciate all your views, your insights, your comments, your feedback. I could not have done this without you. And I appreciate every single one of my subscribers. Let's keep it going. Let's start a new year. And remember to stay inside and stay safe.